In today's video, we'll show you how to change your Instagram password on both Android and iPhone devices using the latest method. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy from the list. In the Settings menu, tap on Account Center to access the security settings for your Instagram account. Then scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Then, tap on Change Password. Then choose the account of which you want to change the password. Now, you have to enter your current password for verification. It's important to create a strong and unique password to protect your Instagram account. Make sure to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using common words or personal information that can be easily guessed. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Double-check for any typos or mistakes before proceeding. Then tap on Change Password to continue. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Instagram password. From now on, make sure to remember your new password or use a password manager to securely store it. Now that you know how to change your Instagram password, let's quickly cover a few additional tips to enhance your account security. First, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone whenever you log in from a new device. If you want a video on how to enable two-factor authentication, then just comment below and we may well make a video. Second, regularly monitor your account activity and review the devices that have access to your Instagram account. To see the devices on which your account is logged in, just leave a comment below and we will make a video. If you notice any suspicious activity, immediately change your password and report it to Instagram. Lastly, avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your other online accounts if one of them gets compromised. That's it for today's video on how to change your Instagram password on Android and iPhone. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.